is very best.
Yes.
Hello all.
Hello.
Hello.
Please introduce yourself.
Well, I'm Peter from Germany.
Hello, I'm Evelyn from Germany.
And I'm Petra from Germany, but from the south.
Nice to meet you. I'm B from Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia in this moment. Yes, thank you. And please, my second question is how you decide to make this nice trip into Mongolia. Please tell your story.
It has been on my mind, our mind, for several years now, and it just took the time to do it now. And now was the right time.
Wow.
Yeah.
Congratulations. And
Well, I think it started already when I read the book of Marco Polo, but and that was 50 years ago.
wow.
And I wanted to
Good.
go to Mongolia and see for myself. But we have also been to China together, and Evelyn has told a lot about her meetings with Mongolians when she was working. So that all triggered our wish to see the fantastic country yourselves.
Wow.
During the last World Cup in football, I had the pleasure to be the host of some Mongolians from the work, and the translator showed me on his camera the beauty of this country. So I said, well, I have to go.
Wow. Thank you for your sharing your this experience. It's fantastic. It was fantastic to listeners. Yes. How did you find this wish to travel into Mongolia and Asia? Wow. Thank you. And then very final question on this short video called hashtag Mongolia Friend. I made this series of video with my guests and with my international friends. And very last question, what is it? What do you all want to ask from us? What is your question? Any?
Try to keep your traditions and try to keep independent from your powerful neighbors.
Wow, thank you.
Yes. Question. Keep singing.
Wow.
It
Thank
was
you.
beautiful. Don't stop. It's not a question, it's a request.
Yes, thank you.
And the other thing is the fantastic food you introduced to us. It's really nice that we could share the experience here.
Wow, thank you very much. Yes. And then, do you know? This is very my words to all of you who visited into Mongolian local life. And it's a cooking class. Is every Mongolian family can organize this by their daily life. But I want to make more professional by this video. And then this video include our this best memory. Not only include it spread our this idea to our Mongolians. And then I very appreciate one more for your interest. That was beginning
welcome.
of everything.
Thank you.
And then my wish is to you. You should have every day new interest. And then it brings good meetings and next best experiences for all of us. Yes, thank you. And then have a good day in Mongolia.
Thank you.
So far it was
you.
koi.
Koi.
Koi. Wow, thank you.